Fundamental rights are available against the state and not against the private person. Thus, it becomes very important for us to understand what is state. State has been defined under Article 12 of the Constitution. Hi everybody, this is CS Deepti Sharma. Just learn Article 12 in a minute.
Article 12 State. State includes Government of India and Parliament of India, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Second, state government and its legislation. Third is all local authorities, that is municipality, district board, panchayats, improvement trust and mining settlement boards, etc. And fourth is all the other and the local authorities that are controlled by Government of India, that is statutory and non-statutory authorities, example LIC, NCRT, etc. Now let's study what is the basic confusion. So the confusion was what comes under the purview of other authorities defined in Article 12. To clear this, let's move to the next part of the video. So the concept of other authorities was developed through many case laws. That is, number 1, University of Madras versus Santabai. In this case, it was held that all the authorities which are performing the government and sovereign functions are state. This case was overruled by Electricity Board versus Mohan Roy. Third one was Sukhdev Singh versus Bhagat Ram. In this case, it was held that ONGC and LIC are state. The most important case of Article 12 is R.D. Shetty. In this, the concept of agency, instrumentality and the 5 broad test was given. Ajay Hasia versus Khalid Mujib. So, in this case, it was held that society is a state. In Naresh versus State of Maharashtra, it was held that judiciary is a state. The same was held in A.R. Antule versus R.S. Nayak. In Chandramohan Khanna versus NCRT, it was held that NCRT is also a state. Watch full video for the other important case laws. Pause the video and write all the case laws which are state and which are not state. Please like, share and subscribe to my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.